Hey YouTube fam, in this video you'll be learning about how to connect Confluence with the Claude. It's pretty simple thing to do. So you guys first need to know about the connectors and how they work. Then we'll further go ahead and connect the connector which comes under the Confluence or Atlassian platform. So let's dive right into the video. My name is Arshia and you're watching this channel. So let's dive right into this video. What you have to do is to first go and navigate yourself to the desktop application. The link will be in the description. Make sure you guys check that out as well. Now just go to the plus icon and go to the connectors option. In the connectors, go to the add connector, and in the add connectors, just go to the browse connectors option. Now you will know that if you're using Atlassian, Trello, or Confluence, they all come under the same platform. They are like the child of a parent platform, which is Atlassian. So first thing that we need to do, if you go ahead and search for the Confluence like this, nothing will show up actually. See, but you will see that the access Jira and Confluence from Claude, you have to install the Atlassian retrieval. So in order to use those tools to access Confluence or Trello or maybe Jira, you guys have to download this one. So if you read about the tools that it offers, there are a bunch of it, like the username for the Confluence. You will see that the get Confluence page, get Confluence page, get Confluence page, and get Confluence page ancestor. All these tools under one page, and you will see that it has a bunch of tools for the Jira as well. Now what you guys have to do is to simply go back to it, go to the connectors, go to the add connectors option, browse connectors again. Now you know that where you have to go. Just go to the Atlassian retrieval, search about it from here, and then just click on it and then click on connect. Now it will take you to a different page on your web browser. That could be any web browser that you're using or the default one that is in your system. Now once you're in it, what you have to do is to sign in with your Claude and then with the account of the Atlassian. Once you have done that, all you have to do is to authenticate your account. Now after doing it, you just go back to the Claude and it will be connected. Now you will be able to access all of everything from just typing in a single prompt. You know the tools that are in there, you know what you want to do with the Confluence. So all you have to do is to type in the words, type in the script, and type in the prompt, and then you'll be able to get the desired output out of the Claude. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.